Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. It is my humble request to my new incoming friend to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so the new incoming video don't be missed. As you know, I always bring such wonderful project from which you can earn a lot of profit from home by easily. So today's project name is care4.com. The link of this website will be given in my video description box. So first I will tell you how you can sign up an account in this website. For registration, two type of procedure here is given: register by your email and register by your phone number. For the register by your email, first of all put your email id which are using in your mobile, then set a login password, then put this invitation code which will be given in my video description box, and just click on the sign up now and your account will be signed up in this website. For register by your phone number, select your country code, after put your phone number and just click on the sign up now and your account will be signed up in this website. You can select the language your own option. Different types of language option here is given. I have selected English as my preferred language. So viewers, I already have an account, so I will go into the sign in option, for which I have to put my email, for which I am using the email login option, and then put my password that I have set in the registration procedure earlier. Here you can see I have put my all information here. Now I have to click on the sign in now and my account will be signed in this website. It may take few seconds, and the announcement panel here is given care for invitation registration link. Here is given welcome to the care for. They solemnly promise that this platform will be effective for a long time and will never be closed. Funds are monitored and managed by CIMB Bank. Care for long date is New York, USA, September 28, 2024, and the time here is given. The task update time of platform is network New York, USA, at the 10 a.m. More benefits are being updated. Stay tuned. Care from Telegram customer service link here is given. Minimum deposit amount to guide is 9 USDT, and the minimum withdrawal will be available is 2.5 USDT. And you can see, for inviting your friend, you will get the different types of bonuses, and you can check all the types of in the announcement. And your first of all you will get your balance details in this, then your email on which you have registered your account, their logo, and your wallet details about the basic account, and the withdrawal account informations will show in your account details here. All the type of announcement panel, recharge, withdrawal option, app download option here is given. You can download app, click on the download app and their app will be downloaded here, and you can select the you can start any commission in their app. In the company profile you will get the profile of this company, and you can check all the type of their detail here is given. In the company profile you can check all the type of details, and the necessary information is here is given. For task reset countdown is for the 24-hour time, and here you can see in the task hall I am currently working on their VIP 1 level and VIP 2, and they contain the different types of levels here is given. For the prices are different for each level, prices will be different to you. For the recharging this website account, you can recharge in TRC20 USDT, TRX, BEP USD, and BNB. So I will show how you can recharge in TRC20 network address. Copy this address, and you can scan this QR code. After that you have to go back to the wallet which are using in your mobile, and I am using the Trust Wallet app. Click on the USDT option, click on the send option, and just put the amount, put the address, then put the amount for the transaction, and click on the next option. And after completing the transaction procedure, complete the transaction procedure, and after completing the transaction procedure you have to go back to the website account and click on the recharge complete, and your account will be recharged in this website. And all the type of, and all the procedures are same for each coin like the TRX, BP, and BNB. And you can check all the necessary details of their customer service link here is given. They will provide their customer service on the Telegram. You can check the service 1 and service 2 here is given for your helping you out. And all the type of your new unread messages will be sure. All the type of notification will also show here, and you can see their highest level is for the 32,698 USDT, and commission will be different to you. And platform introduction YouTube video here is given. You can check this video in the membership list. You can see their member are getting like commission, earning a lot of commissions. In the regulatory authorities, their authorities are ASIC, FMA are the regulatory authorities. In the task list you will get your all the type of all task for 2 days remaining task will show here in progress, and complete task will show. A task reset countdown is also showing here. In the in progress task you have to click on the to complete, and you will generate your income The amount required is 9 USD for unlocking this website, and your commission will be generated 2.5 USD for the VIP 1 level. Here you can see income generated is 2.5 USD. In the team option, you can copy this invitation code, invitation link, share with your family and friends, and ask them to join this website through your code and link. More members will join this website. You will be awarded with different types of rewards at the team level 1, level 2 and level 3, for which for level 1 commission percentage is 10%, for the level 2 is 5%, for the level 3 is 2%. The commission rebate will be given to you, and all the type of detail will be given to you, like the team details, team recharge, team withdrawal, new team first time recharge, and the first time withdrawal will show here. In the VIP area, you will get different types of their halls. Here is given for care for one mall. Daily task is one simple interest is 2.5 USD. Daily profit is 2.5 USD for the two. You have to just click on the unlock now, complete the transaction of 59 USD from your wallet, and you will good to go unlock any of their level, for which daily profit is 18 USD, and you can check all the type of their level here is given, and you can unlock any of their mall. In the main option, you will get your total balance, day recharge amount, your recharge withdrawal option. Account details will contain base account and the withdrawal account information. Financial record contain the financing withdrawal account information. Here you can see task benefits is 2.50 USD, and the registration bonus is also given here. You can transfer your money to your from withdrawal account to the base account. For unlocking another level, you can also change your password. Put the old password, then set a new password, re-enter the password and confirm, and your password will be modified. Here you can sign out this website application from your mobile. If you want to for the withdrawal option, put the amount which is available for the withdrawal, then put your withdrawal address. Go back to the wallet which are you using, click on the USDT, copy this address and bind this address into the wallet. And after putting all the information and putting the informations and password, here I have click on the confirm option, and after confirmation I have successfully withdraw my money. I will show how I withdraw my money. Here you can see now withdrawal account is 0 and financial record contain the withdrawal account, and here you can see my withdrawal detection is successful. Here when I get my commission, I will show my balance details, and here you can see I have received 2.5 USD just immediately withdrawing my money from this website account. I hope this video gives you a lot of information about investing money, earning commission. It's time to go. Goodbye.